In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ConvertKit and send your leads automatically. If you want the people who fill out your Typeform to be added directly into ConvertKit, this setup is simple and very useful. It helps you save time, avoid manual data entry, and make sure new subscribers go exactly where you want them to go, whether that's a form or a sequence inside ConvertKit. To begin, open your Typeform and go to the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lets you link your form with other tools and services. Once you're there, look through the available integrations until you find ConvertKit, then click Connect. This starts the connection process between the two platforms. Next, Typeform will ask you for your ConvertKit API key and API secret. These details allow Typeform to securely communicate with your ConvertKit account. When entering this information, make sure you're using the correct credentials from your ConvertKit settings. Also, be careful not to share these private details publicly since they control access to your account. After you enter them, continue to the next part of the setup. Now you'll choose where you want your new leads to go in ConvertKit. Typeform will typically let you select either a ConvertKit form or a sequence, depending on how you want to organize and follow up with subscribers. If you're collecting general leads, a form may be the best option. If you want subscribers to immediately start receiving a set of emails, selecting a sequence can make more sense. Choose the destination that matches your workflow. After that, you'll need to map your Typeform email field to ConvertKit. This step is very important because it tells the integration which answer in your Typeform should be used as the subscriber's email address. Make sure you select the correct email field from your form so the data is sent properly. If the wrong field is mapped, subscribers may not be added correctly. Once the mapping is set, save the integration. At this point, your Typeform and ConvertKit connection should be active. Going forward, when someone submits your Typeform, their email information will be passed into the ConvertKit form or sequence you selected. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to test the setup by submitting your own form once. That way, you can confirm the contact appears in the right place inside ConvertKit and that everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've now connected Typeform to ConvertKit and automated your lead capture process.